In this video, we will show you the basics of filing locate requests with ITIC NextGen. Upon logging into iSight, the first screen you see should be the NextGen interface. If not, click the NextGen button in the upper left corner of the screen. To begin a session with ITIC NextGen, first ensure that your caller information is correct, and that you have the Iowa tab selected. If you need to edit your caller information, be sure to click the Save Changes button before continuing. Once your caller information is up to date, click the New Ticket button. With ITIC NextGen, you start the locate process by finding and identifying the worksite on the map. Enter an address or name of a building in the Starting Address Location field. Once you have found the correct location, you can start mapping out your dig site. You will do this by creating one or more shapes on the map that represent your excavation area. These shapes are called excavation entities. You have several options available to ensure you can precisely and accurately cover your dig site. The Create Circle tool allows for the placement of circular excavation entities. You will be prompted to enter information about the proposed worksite. All fields are required. The radius will determine the size of the circle. Use the drop-down menu to indicate the center of the radius, such as a flag or manhole. The description field is reserved for additional information for locating or describing the worksite. While the Create Circle tool is still active, you can place additional circles on the map. Be sure to update their information if necessary. The Create Route tool is used for creating long and narrow excavation entities and is ideal for jobs such as sidewalk repairs or utility line installations in areas without established roads. As with the Create Circle tool, you will need to enter a series of information about the worksite. Once you have entered the required information, you can start creating your route by clicking on the map. Continue setting points until you have reached the end of your route, then double-click. The Select Parcel tool allows you to use parcel data to map out the work area and is a good choice for work that is taking place at a specific address. With the Select Parcel tool active, click the area of excavation. If parcel data is available, you will be presented with the Select Parcel menu. Review the list and choose the best option for your worksite. If you choose right-of-way, curb-to-curb, or blank feet back from each curb, the entity will expand accordingly. Similar to Select Parcel, Select Feature allows you to create excavation entities based on available map features, such as roads or highways. Select Feature is perfect for projects taking place in or along road rights-of-way, such as utility mainline installations or road repairs. After entering a width, start by clicking on the map at the beginning of your worksite. Click again at the end of your worksite. The Create Polygon tool allows you to freehand draw an excavation entity. The Create Polygon tool is intended as a last resort and should only be used in situations where no other excavation entity will properly cover the dig site. In Create Polygon mode, click on the map where you would like to begin. Continue setting points until you have encompassed the entire work area. To close out the polygon, click on the same point where you began. You will be presented with the Polygon Information form. The street, cross street, marking instructions, and driving directions are all required. If there is an address, enter it in the address field. You can modify or delete any entities you have created in your session with the Edit Locates tool. With Edit mode active, double-clicking on an entity will delete it. When you have finished mapping, click Next. NextGen automatically calculates the most efficient way to break up or combine the excavation entities you have created and assign them to locate requests. In this example, NextGen has determined that 2 tickets are required. These tickets are represented by the tabs at the top of the screen, temporarily named Ticket A and B. If you see a red exclamation point, it means the ticket is missing required information that must be entered before it can be released. There will be a matching exclamation point in the section where the information is missing and a red border around each required field that is empty. The red globe icon indicates the mapping on that ticket has not been reviewed. You must review the mapping on each ticket before they can be released. The green chain link icon indicates that Group Edit mode is on. Group Edit mode allows you to make changes to all tickets in the current session simultaneously. You can toggle Group Edit mode on and off by clicking on it. Fill out the information on each ticket as accurately as possible. NextGen automatically generates location information based on the mapping you did on the previous page. It should describe the entire work area in great detail. If marking instructions or other location information is incomplete, be sure to enter any additional information in their corresponding fields. However, if marking instructions are inaccurate, double-check your mapping. If necessary, you should return to the mapping stage and remap the area. When you have finished filling out and reviewing all of your ticket's information, click the Next button. This will take you to the ticket disposition page. Here you will enter the start date and time for each ticket. You can also edit the action NextGen will take with each ticket. Consult the session disposition table for an overview of each ticket. When you are ready, click the Submit button. This will activate the action assigned to each ticket, which typically means releasing the tickets to the affected utilities. You will then be presented with the utility notification list. Depending on your ITIC privileges, each ticket should now display a ticket number along with its temporary name. You can now choose to start a new session, log out, or click Finished to view a list of your current tickets in Excavator Ticket Management. Thanks for watching.